BANDELIN has been manufacturing high-performance ultrasonic equipment for use in medicine, industry and laboratories for generations. A wide range of products as well as matching accessories enables optimum cleaning in production and maintenance. Using ultrasound, cleaning processes can be implemented much faster and more thoroughly without damaging the product. In production, intermediate products can be efficiently freed from residues such as grease or chips to ensure high quality in further processing. Furthermore, component cleaning in maintenance often eliminates the need for the cost-intensive purchase of new spare parts. After maintenance, the cleaned components function again with maximum reliability. Ultrasound produces the finest cavitation bubbles, which remove the impurities intensively and gently from the surface to be cleaned. Due to its universal applicability and high material compatibility, ultrasonic cleaning can be used for most surfaces and applications. Depending on the contamination and the material of the goods to be cleaned, we offer an optimally matched complete solution, consisting of ultrasonic bath, cleaning preparation, and accessories. In expert circles, our brands are equated with ultrasound. As many as 79 patents and utility models are proof of our outstanding innovative strength. The continuous development of our products and applications not only made us the market leader, but also allowed us to set the norms and standards for ultrasonic applications in various committees. The large vertical range of manufacture and the multiple certified quality management ensures the highest reliability and durability of our products. BANDELIN High Performance Ultrasonic Cleaning. Intensive and reliable.